Baseball is one of the most popular and classic sports in America, and it's super fun to play and watch. The game is played between two teams with 9 players each. The goal? To score the most runs. One team bats, while the other plays defense. The batter stands at home plate and tries to hit the ball that the pitcher throws. If the batter hits the ball and it lands in play, they run to first base, then second, third, and back to home to score a run. But if the fielders catch the ball in the air or tag the runner out, it's game over for that turn. The field has 4 bases in a diamond shape, and every time a player runs around them and reaches home, their team earns a point. Each team gets 9 innings to score as many runs as they can. The team with the most runs at the end wins. Players take turns batting and fielding, and each position like pitcher, catcher, shortstop, and outfielder has a special job. Baseball teaches teamwork, focus, and timing. From Little League to the major leagues, it's a game full of excitement, home runs, and amazing catches. So grab your glove and cap, it's time to play ball.